Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're out here on a cleaning in Brownsburg. Again, we have the louver vent covers. Notice the warping. That's Indiana weather freezing this, and then when you dry clothes, so when you freeze it, it expands. When you dry it, it shrinks. That's why you get this warping. Notice the grids are on there. Pull this off and notice the dryer's breathing. Go ahead and see if you can see that full clog. So I mean, that's causing the problem. So again, we're going to fix that like we always do. Notice the lint's just coming out. So first thing first is we're going to go ahead and clean the dryer vent and get all this wet lint. That's what this is. This is from her doing laundry. Brand new washer and dryer. She's had it all of a day. First load of jeans, she can't even get dry. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna get that taken care of. Cold weathers are brutal on these dryers. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Again, they've only had this house for a year. So being a year and then just the new appliances, it's just not good. So locally owned, veteran operated. This customer found me on Google, and then she looked at my reviews on Google and saw that I had nothing but 5 stars. Also noticed I was locally owned, veteran operated. So I can hear the dryer, it's getting pretty loud. So there's the elbow. We're gonna drop down. Notice there's not much behind the elbow. I'm on a roof and it's icy out, so I'm not able to really check my phone, so I hope you can see this pretty good. And there's the back of the dryer. So we'll now clean on our way out, and this customer is now ready to dry some clothes. We'll get a look inside that vent here in a second. Get these wands off. Again, this is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, certified dryer exhaust technician, locally owned, veteran operated. We never charge a service fee for our work. Well, we never charge a service fee for coming out and estimating our work. And let's see if we can get you in here. Now that's, notice I'm fogging up. That's a good sign, we got airflow. This is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you.